Hi, this is Ciandre from BK Ciandre. During the home customization, door system is also very important. So today I would like to introduce you a very cool and fashion flash to all door system. Is this. It looks very cool because the color is very simple and it's a very light beige color. So people when see it, it's wow, it's cool. But what's more is that we use several international brand material to make this door. One thing is that we use finger sensor to open the door. The second thing is that we use Italian AGB lock, which is a very more than 30 years brands internationally. The third thing is that we use formica compact material to realize the cement painting on the surface. The fourth thing, which is for me, looks is very charming, is that after this year 2023 we like light beige color, so we make the cement painting in light beige. After 3 years or after 4 years, maybe you want to change the color. So the only thing you need to do is that just remove the cement off the surface and make the painting again in any color you want. So for me, I think this looks excellent. So except this, let me introduce you what is more important is that this door system is our own developed and patented door system. There is 3 advantages for this door system. The first thing is that because the door weight is upon to the axis on the bottom, so there is no hinges at all, the whole frame. So the door weight is upon to the axis. So the only thing is that during the installation, you only need to adjust well the axis and the door to be well in horizontal and vertical. That's it. There is no after sales problems because there is no way for the deformation. The second thing is that when we be ready for out of factory, the door frame and the door panel is in the same pack. So the only thing on site is to put the door panel on the floor and adjust well in horizontal and vertical. That's it. 30 minutes, well done installation. And no need very professional person for installation. This saves a lot of project labor costs on site, which is make this model is very good for projects. The third thing is that the whole frame of the door system, you cannot see any screws or spare parts at all because it's very, it's very simple and it looks very cool. Stability is very good. So this is a very welcomed product in the market. So this actually we use invisible door system to realize the flash to door system. In order to realize the same color of the door and or we use cement painting, but we have different kind of options such as porcelain slab and wood door panel and also glass. So in next channel, I'm going to show you in different options such as porcelain slab. So please don't forget to follow me. I'm going to introduce you another model, but also flash door system in next channel. So see you next time. Thank you.